it is time to build this island. I'm not looking forward to this. Update, I've built the whole frame and I've put the wheels on so it can move around. Six years later and I'm done. This is the front. I've put the cupboard doors on, got a drawer, and then a bin is gonna go in here. And then the tabletop, it just does not match. So I'm gonna wrap it. I don't know if that's a feature I want to keep. Like when I wrap it, maybe I'll cover that, but I don't know. But yeah, I like it anyway. It is what I wanted. It's a bit lower down than I would like. I'd like it a bit higher, but I might just add legs or something later. I'm trying to decide on a TV stand. This is the first color. It's like a oak color. There's this color and I don't know which one I want more. This second one is silver oak. First one is oak. Here's two pictures of them side by side. I'm trying to decide what one I want. Usually, and it's gonna go over there, but still leave a comment on what color you think would look better in my space. Oh, and I got a new case. Isn't she so cute? But yeah, I'm gonna spend the rest of the day eating snacks and attempting to watch shows on my phone. As you can see, I have no service, I have no Wi-Fi still. Only 2 days left of this. But yeah, I'm gonna sit down, watch shows, and I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, another thing. I found, you see my countertops, this color, it's quartz or something like that. I found a wrap or a skin that looks similar. Yeah, do I buy this wrap and then wrap this counter? I'll be doing all of that in the same vlog anyway, so you guys will see, but I'm gonna go chill now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a new day, and as you guys can see, I actually managed to wrap the island. This is what it looks like during the day. I also did this puzzle. How cute is she? Now the next step is just finding some bar stools, but I actually think it looks so good. I didn't wrap the whole thing as one. I left the little divide so that I could still put down the table if I wanted to. I've also got some black handles coming in to change the hardware on these cabinets, but yeah, how cute. I also added motion censored lights underneath, so when I walk past, they turn on. Well, I mean, they should do. I won't even lie to you guys, my apartment is a mess. I had a Galentine's thing with my mum and I still have the decorations out. I still have boxes around. I have so much recycling to do, and guess what I'm doing? I'm just sat here watching TikTok videos. Life is too short. I'm so tired and I don't know why, but I'm gonna watch Desperate Housewives whilst I do all the recycling, because tomorrow my TV stand is coming and I no longer have to deal with a TV on the floor. My TV stand is here, so let's build that. Oh my gosh, I kind of need some help. I want to put the TV stand on this wall, but hear me out. This is why. Wait, let me put my mic down so I can explain properly. Okay, so here's my issue. You see this wall, guys? It just seems like the perfect size for a TV, right? It can go right in the middle. Perfect size. However, there's a radiator there. Now, I have turned the radiator off, so I can put my TV stand in front of it, but it's just not ideal, you know? The other option was this corner where you can see there's a radiator, but there's this section where a TV could go. I don't like the idea of the TV being off center and then having all this wall space just empty. So I prefer to have my mirror here, my printers, and then my storage shelves on this side. And then TV living area. So when you walk in the door, you come straight in here. Tell me that makes sense. So yeah, if you ever see my videos and wonder why there's a TV stand in front of the radiator, that's why. Moment of truth. Let's see if I like the color. Oh, how cute. You are kidding me. Ah, so excited. So I finally built the TV stand. The instructions said 30 minutes. It took me like 3 hours, but at least it's all done. As you can see, you can't really tell the radiator was there. Only issue is when you're walking into my house, then you can see the gap right here. But I think I'm going to put like a really tall plant. I'm going to put a tall plant there. But yeah, we're looking good thus far. I'll come back at night as well so that you guys can see what it looks like with all the lights on. But only dilemma I am having is when you're sat down, you can kind of see the radiator peeking out. So I'm either going to look for different TV stands or I'm going to get a sound bar. I think I might just get a sound bar and put it there because a sound bar is like a worthwhile investment. But so far I've put like this IKEA lamp here, and then I put my Switch 2 here. Then I've started putting stuff in the drawers. So I'm putting the manual. The open one, should I just get like a motion censored light and stick it in? Because that could actually look really cute. But yeah, so far I'm thinking tall plant on this side, and then probably a light on this side. And then also, oh my goodness, I have all of my Lego from my last apartment. I basically took it apart, not completely, but in sections, and wrapped it so that it wouldn't break in transit. I have to take all of this apart now and put it together. So here is what my living area is currently looking like. This is my sofa. I moved the mirror, so it's here. This is where my mirror is. I still need to put up my prints. I don't know where I want to put them. I need to sort out all those bits on the windowsill. And then here's the star of the show. How good do the lights look? I'll actually show you guys what the lights are from now. So all my lights for my TV are from Govee. So I essentially have Govee light strips behind my TV. They've been on there actually for 4 or 5 months, so I know they're sturdy, but this is my view when I'm watching TV. I saw somebody comment on my last move-in vlog that my sofa needs to be further back, so I have actually moved it further back. Now I need ideas for a coffee table because I have space for one. In my last place, there wasn't really enough space to have one, but now I have space. So in the next move-in vlog, probably going to be looking for a coffee table, and we're finally going to start actually decorating, so putting pictures up, looking for plants, B&M trips, the range trips. Oh, I'm so ready to do all those things. I'm actually currently editing this vlog, so that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the night, and I'm going to watch some Desperate Housewives. I'm an Apple TV fiend. Disney Plus.